So we start off today's video with this haircut transformation. Wow, beautiful bob haircuts. I love the color combination on this. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some amazing before and after haircut transformations. Here we have someone that decided to also switch it up with a bob. And she also has a few pieces of tinsel mixed in. Very nice. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Another gorgeous bob style, love that red shade. And then we see someone else who decided to go with a shoulder length bob, beautiful curtain bangs to frame out the face. I love how simple, classic, and chic that look is. And then we have another gorgeous bob style. So here we have someone at the salon for a cut refresh on their pixie. Beautiful. And of course you can play around with the styling options. Spike it up, wear it down, curl it. So many ways you can play around with it. Next up, we have a cut and color transformation. Ooh, gorgeous bob haircut with a copper color trend. Very nice. Next up, we have another long to short hair change. Looks like she's getting a bob for this one as well. Very nice chic bob haircut. She adds a little bit of a tousled wave here. Very nice. I love the fullness within this shape. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.